Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm an engineering PhD student. I've had quite a few questions with regards to how to use STAR-CCM, so I thought I'd create a few videos, some quick tutorials on the basics of STAR-CCM, starting with how to import CAD STAR-CCM. So as you can see here, I'm starting by creating a simple CAD model on NX12. So the part I'm working with is an annulus, which is two concentric cylinders. You might refer to it as a donut. The first thing I'd like to highlight is that the diameter here, the first diameter was 1000, the second is 500, and you might think, well, that's very large. But the reason for this is that NX defaults to in millimeters, and STAR-CCM defaults to meters, so it means that the values in STAR-CCM will be 1, whereas here it's 1000, it'll be 1 in STAR-CCM, which is just more suitable for generating meshes for future. As you can see, nice simple geometry. Save it as something you'll remember. Then the next step is we're going to load up STAR-CCM. There's options on how to run it, but I'm just going to run it in serial for this basic tutorial. You can do it in parallel if you need more processing power. Then it's as simple as import CAD model, and then we're just going to select the model we've just created. Then you should see come straight across. You can see that's the model we've just drawn. Yep, thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful.